Yeah, meteorologist Evelyn Taft is back now with return of lots of sunshine this week, right, Ev?
Yes, a lot of sunshine and some seriously warm numbers. Some of the warmest we've probably seen since the start of the year.
Wow.
I know. I'm excited. So we're going to get to those numbers in just a moment. I do want to take you through the forecast tonight and tomorrow. We're dealing with a little bit of a coastal eddy, which is going to bring a little bit of that cloud cover into the mix, at least through tomorrow. We are expecting to see conditions get a little sunnier and clearer by the afternoon. But until then, that eddy is kicking up the fog and temperatures will be a little cooler. In fact, right now we're at 57 in downtown, 62 in Anaheim, 57 in Laguna Beach, and as we head to Beaumont, 55 degrees. Now, satellite radar showing you just a little bit of cloud cover moving through Southern California, continuing to stay with us at least through tomorrow morning. We've got wind advisories up across Southern California as well, through the high desert and through parts of the IE and the Coachella Valley. As we wake up tomorrow, we're expecting 40s and 50s, 49 Camarillo, 50 Ontario, 55 as we head to Santa Ana, and 48 in Riverside. And highs looking like this tomorrow: 65 for downtown, 62 LAX, 68 as we head to San Bernardino, and 51 cooler degrees as we head to, again, that's Big Bear. Palm Springs, though, at 84. So the Coachella Valley's been warm. It was a very warm Coachella weekend. Yep. And weekend 2 looking pretty warm. In fact, much warmer next weekend. So with that, let's get a look at where we're at right now as far as the cooler conditions go in that coastal eddy. So essentially, we do have northwesterly wind paralleling the coast. That wind is going to weaken as it approaches to Southern California, and we're looking at that counterclockwise rotation around that low. So when that happens, it kind of forms its own little weather system, its own little low, and we start to see a lot of that fog. So when we hear coastal eddy, we know that means fog at the coast and even some fog inland as well. So take a look. We do have that thicker marine layer at least for tomorrow. Temperatures along the coast in the 50s. In the basin will be in the 60s. In the high desert, 60s and 70s expected, and really just a mild to cool day across Southern California. Technically, we're near average, but not quite at average, with average being 73 in downtown. We're at 65 tomorrow. But by Thursday, we get closer to average, and by Friday and Saturday, the 2 warmest days of the week, we're expecting to see 80s. Yep, that's right. So that ridge of high pressure will start to build across Southern California by the end of the week, with much warmer and drier conditions headed our way. You'll see clear conditions and warm conditions both Friday and Saturday. With that, let's get a look at our 7-day forecast, and you will see 60s quickly turning to 70s, 70s quickly turning to 80s by Friday and Saturday. A little cooler as we head into Sunday and Monday. And for the valleys, we're in the 60s, 70s, and the 80s, flirting with the 90s by Saturday. A little cooler by Sunday. And for the IE, 60s, 70s, and flirting with the 90s Friday and Saturday. Jeff and Susie, back to you.
Kcal 9 is now Kcal News.
You watch Kcal News in the evenings. Now, the local coverage Kcal's known for at night
is on all morning long.
Kcal News mornings from 4 to 11. More breaking news, more local news, more Kcal.
CBS News Los Angeles, your local news, streaming wherever, whenever.